Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see the differences between 8085 and 8086 microprocessor. 8085 is an 8-bit microprocessor while 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor. 8085 has 16-bit address bus while 8086 has 20-bit address bus. 8085 can access up to 64 kilobyte of memory, while 8086 can access up to 1 megabyte of memory. 8085 does not support pipeline architecture, while 8086 supports pipeline architecture. 8085 does not support multiplication and division, while 8086 supports multiplication and division. Clock speed of 8085 microprocessor is 3 MHz, while clock speed of 8086 microprocessor vary between 5, 8 and 10 MHz. 8085 has 5 flags, while 8086 has 9 flags. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe our channel.